Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp could not link device problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. Now first open your Play Store app and search WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp. WhatsApp app is updated. Now open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and tap on only clear cache. Tap on back button, tap on permission and allow all permission. Now open your WhatsApp, tap on 3-line menu, tap on link device and tap on again link a device. Now scan QR code and finally I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.